Welcome to the Resilient Nurse Resource, a space where strength meets strategy to help you regain your peace, restore your power, and rejuvenate your purpose. I'm Dr. Diane Longhurst Johnson. That's a mouthful, so you can call me DrDianeJ. After decades of standing beside professionals under pressure, I created this resource for you, a dedicated nurse who is wondering if you can get through your next shift or if you even still belong in this profession. No one should feel dismissed, demoralized, or attacked while doing the sacred work of caregiving. We are here for you. Let's be real. Sometimes the most distressing comments come not from our patients, but from those around them. Family members frustrated by fear or grief may lash out. You need a calm mind and a quick plan. So today, I'm introducing the R.E.S.T, R-E.S.T strategy, a powerful resilience tool inspired by the de-escalation techniques taught by Jefferson Fisher and years of research and my own experience managing behavior. The R.E.S.T strategy includes 4 steps to regain calm, restore control, and redirect to patient care and safety. Here's a scenario. A critically ill man is your patient in the ICU. His daughter is agitated. She has raised her voice and is speaking rapidly. The more you focus on caring for the patient, the angrier she gets and begins yelling at you, accusing you of ignoring her and just showing up to work for a paycheck. She even questions your competency as a nurse. You feel attacked and belittled. What can you do? You can utilize the R.E.S.T strategy. R stands for regulate yourself. Take a breath, lower your tone. This regulates your nervous system before you respond. Calm is contagious. Jefferson Fisher would tell us, let your breath be your first word. Quick tip, remind yourself that what you model sets the temperature in the room. As you lower your voice, reduce the intensity with which you're interacting, the rest of the room and all the people in it will follow. Remember, R stands for regulate yourself. The next step is E, empathize out loud. With genuine compassion, may I stress genuine, acknowledge emotions without agreeing or escalating. You could say things like, it sounds like you're really scared. I want to help your father get the care he needs. You could also say, I understand how frustrating this situation is for you and your family. I'm here to help. Quick tip, in stressful situations like this, people feel compelled to be heard and their concerns validated. Often, the fight or flight response triggers adrenaline to flood their system, amplifying their feelings and responses. Taking a moment to acknowledge and actively listen to the speaker validates that they are seen and heard. Remember, E stands for empathize out loud. The third step, S, state your boundary. Clear, kind boundaries protect everyone. If you have not read the work of Brené Brown on boundaries, I suggest it. It's very, very helpful and certainly can apply to these situations. You could say to a daughter, please lower your volume. I can't allow yelling in the room because it disturbs your dad and other patients. I need to focus on your dad's well-being and care. You could also say, as soon as I finish, and then state the procedure that you're doing to help your dad, we can step outside so you can tell me more about your concerns. Quick tip, this step is most effective when you tell the person what you need them to start doing in place of what they need to stop doing. If you only tell them to stop doing something, for example, stop yelling, a void is left that they will try to fill with something else. To ensure that the void is filled with something productive, be sure to tell them what you need them to start doing instead of yelling. In the example, the direction, please lower your volume, tells the person what you need them to do instead of yelling. Also, telling them the reason for the request goes a long way in calming the situation. In the example, the reason given was, I can't allow yelling in the room because it disturbs your dad and other patients. Again, S stands for state your boundary. T stands for turn to the patient. Refocus attention and energy where it matters most. You could say, let's check on your dad together. We both want him to rest and recover. Another quick tip, this statement invites an agitated daughter to join you in refocusing her energy with your energy and effort back on her dad. You both want the same outcome, her dad's recovery. Sometimes she might just need a reminder. Again, T stands for turn to the patient. With the R.E.S.T strategy, you can shift the energy in the room, protect your peace, and continue your care with confidence. We'll go over the strategy again. R is regulate yourself. E, empathize out loud. S, state your boundary. T, turn to the patient. If you would like more practice with this strategy so you are more prepared to use it in real life, email me at DrDianeJ@gmail.com to set up a free 20-minute coaching call. I've put my email address in the show notes for reference. If you've not done so already, download our free resource, The Nurse's Survival Guide to Bullying, Abuse, and Incivility. It's an easy-to-follow process for evaluating your current circumstances and developing skills to respond so you can restore your peace, reclaim your power, and rejuvenate your purpose. The link is in the description below the video. Additionally, if you want to connect with other nurses like you, follow me on LinkedIn and connect with us in our Facebook group. Links to both platforms are in the show notes. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to tell the platform that it has been helpful to you. Thanks again for being here. See you next time.